Here we have a 2011 Cadillac CTS, the 6.2. Customer brought it in to us. He had put some headers on it and mufflers, and the mid pipes were all a mess. Nothing fit as it should. It was banging and rattling everywhere. So these are a custom set of mufflers that we made to fit. But just to show you what we do around here, we took all the band clamps off of it that were on there. We put some V-band clamps here, so it's one bolt takes them loose. So we've got it set up to where, we had to remake the mid pipes, reuse some of his pipes up front here, took all these band clamps off of it, welded everything solid so nothing leaks, modified it, reshaped it a little bit so it doesn't bend or doesn't hit the transmission mount. It was hanging really low, so we got it all tucked up there nice and clean. So you can drive the car now. Took the V-bands off the header collectors that were leaking really bad. Put these V-band clamps on there. So a lot cleaner, a lot more sanitary installation, as you can see. Should give it a little rumble. It was wide open when we got it. Let's see what it sounds like.